Welcome back to my channel Study with me. In today's video I will help you by teaching the most important MCQs of the chapter Reach for the Top Part 2 Maria Sharapova for Class 9. I hope this video will be very helpful for your exam. Okay, let's start. Class 9 Beehive JCERT Solutions. Reach for the Top Part 2 Maria Sharapova MCQ 1. Why did Sharapova leave Siberia for the USA? Answer. She left to attend a training camp for women. 2. What lesson did Sharapova learn at the age of 9? Answer. She learned that tennis excellence would come only at a price. 3. How was Sharapova treated by seniors? Answer. Badly. 4. How was Maria different from other children? Answer. Maria was calm, confident and tolerant than other children. 5. What motivated Maria to keep moving ahead? Answer. Her spirit of competitiveness. 6. What did Maria achieve in 2005? Answer. She became world number 1 in women's tennis. 7. How long it took to reach this position? Answer. 4 years. 8. Instead of letting that depress me. Who said this? Answer. Maria Sharapova. 9. I am very competitive. Who is I here? Answer. Maria Sharapova. 10. What was Maria Sharapova's passion? Answer. To be tennis player. 11. Maria Sharapova is a answer. Russian girl. 12. Maria reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely answer 13. 13. I used to be so lonely. Who is I here? Answer. Maria Sharapova. 14. What is the name of Maria's mother? Answer. Yelena. 15. Maria was separated for days from her mother. Answer. 2 years. 16. Maria belongs to which country? Answer. Russia. 17. Days went to the United States with her. Answer. Maria's father. 18. What are Sharapova's hobbies? Answer. Singing, fashion and dancing. 19. Depressing treatment made Maria. Answer. Mentally low. 20. When did Sharapova get the world number 1 position in women's tennis? Answer. 22 August 2005. 21. When was little Maria packed off to USA? Answer. At the age of 9. 22. Why couldn't her mother go? Answer. Because she was unwilling to go. 23. Maria's birthplace is answer. Russia. 24. During her training period, Maria went to bed at answer 8 p.m. 25. Maria won the women's single crown at Wimbledon. Answer 2004. 26. The most important thing for Maria was answer to become number 1. 27. Sharapova loved to read novels of answer Arthur Conan Doyle. 28. The other trainees would order Maria to answer clean the room. 29. What was the name of Maria's father? Answer Yuri. 30. Maria proudly speaks that her blood is totally answer Russian. 31. Who was Maria Sharapova? Answer tennis player. 32. Tennis is a business and a sport. Who said this? Answer Maria Sharapova. 33. The senior tennis player treated Maria. Answer badly. 34. Which title did Maria win? Answer Wimbledon. 35. Sharapova has expressed to play days for Russia if allowed. Answer Wimbledon. 36. Maria's father worked for to answer to help Maria's tennis training. 37. The synonym of motivation is answer inspiration. 38. The synonym of compelled is answer pressure. 39. I missed my mother terribly. Who is I here? Answer Maria Sharapova. 40. Maria was very answer competitive. 41. Maria has Dutch citizenship. Answer Russian. 42. Maria Sharapova cannot be. Answer pigeonholed. 43. Maria says money is a. Answer motivation. 44. The word disarm means. Answer to take weapons away. 45. The word readiness means. Answer prepared. 46. I learned how to take care of myself. Who is I here? Answer Maria Sharapova. 47. The word fondness means. Answer affection. 48. Maria won the Dash at Wimbledon in 2004. Answer women's singles. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.